I've been thinking a lot about how people are going to interact in public spaces in a sort of post-COVID-19 world where our behaviors have been modified. I've been thinking about how we'll interact with each other, but I've also been thinking about how we'll interact with the technologies within a space. And obviously, smartphones are going to play a huge role in offloading a lot of the actually tactile interactions, pushing buttons and what have you. And this is an idea along those lines. It's using AR. It's kind of a blink and you'll miss it interaction. So I'm going to go ahead and play it and describe what's going on. In this video, a young woman wants to buy a ticket at a ticket kiosk. She has her smartphone with her. AR provides the buttons from the kiosk on her own screen. She buys the ticket. Now she has the ticket delivered to an app on her phone, like Apple Wallet or something like that. And she's never had to touch anything she didn't own, which I assume is a more comfortable interaction. Obviously, people could just buy their tickets online, but I think that's an engineering solution to the problem. People like interacting with their environment, and these AR, AI solutions running on smartphones or maybe even glasses, something like that, are going to allow people to interact with spaces, but in a way that's safe and feels comfortable going forward. This simple interaction is actually based on some work I did with colleagues on a similar system that would use some of the same features, but it would allow a remote expert to guide a novice through a task. AI was used to recognize where buttons are on a device and then create virtual buttons for the remote person so they could kind of work together to accomplish a task. Anyway, I thought that basic system would work really well with just one person trying to navigate a space where they didn't physically touch anything. And that's pretty much the whole idea. It's kind of a blink or you'll miss it interaction, but it's a pretty satisfying one, I think.